Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Home Kitchen. I know I'm sitting here in my dining room, but I was here earlier when I was talking to you guys about how much the food has gone up in the groceries and all. So you heard before, if you saw the other video before this one, when I went to the supermarket, my husband wanted me to get him a little platter. You know how they have it with the cheeses and the cold cuts and everything, but they didn't have any. So I went in and said, hey, let me get a little bit of everything. So I got some mild cheddar jack cheese right here, cheddar cheese. I got some club snack crackers. These are delicious and a little bit salty, but they're so good. I got a little pack of Gouda cheese. Now this cheese came in two different varieties. It came regular Gouda cheese. I'm gonna put a little piece, so I'm gonna leave them there. And then these one that you see like that, that's garlic and herbs, Italian herbs, okay? So, and I got some provolone here, sorry. And I also got this pepperoni. It brings two of them. I started cutting one. And I also got my uncured salami, hard salami, because my husband likes that. So before I cook and make any meals today, I just want to make him a little platter. So I figure maybe I can bring you guys in and show you how I make. I'm not going to make a lot, because this is only for him to have a little snacky snack. And as you can see over here, I like this mustard. Honey mustard is very zesty, like a little tangy. So I put some here. I think that's a little bit like that. Let me lick my finger real quick. That is delicious. So yeah, and this is some provolone cheese. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna make a little platter here real quick for you guys. Oh, that knife that I bought is really good. It cuts hair in the ear. That's a little common thing that we say, in my country. When a knife cuts like that, really, really good. I like it a lot, It's like, does the work in half the time. So I'm gonna give him like three of those, and then we're gonna put some cheddar cheese in there. Just gonna get me some little grapes, but I didn't. But it's okay, right, Mike? So we're gonna do the same thing like this, guys. So what you can do, you can just like line it up. I was gonna get grapes and stuff, but because it's only for my husband, nobody else eats it here. I eat maybe some pepperoni once in a while, but it's very greasy, the pepperoni, because I have problems with my intestines. I don't like eating it that much, it bloats me, and then it gives me thing. So here we go. So we're gonna do the same thing with the pepperoni, right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
Here we go, and we're gonna lay it out just like that. Bam, bam. I put a little bit more, because I know my husband loves his pepperoni. Let me tell you,
He does.
I might make like 2 little things of pepperoni.
Pepperoni mountain.
Right, Michael? Yeah, he likes this very, very much, like I said. And we want to line this up all the way like that. Okay, but we do have a lot of cheeses here. I'm just trying to make it look pretty. But more or less, this is what it's gonna look like, guys, okay? I'm gonna load it all up in there. Let's do another provolone. And a little bit more salami, right, Mike? And we'll put the provolone, roll it up like that, one on top of another. And we're gonna put some of this Gouda cheese, a couple of plains, right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
And a couple of these right here like that.
Oh yeah.
And we're gonna take a little bit more of this pepperoni and bring this all the way down. Yeah, we're gonna bring this all the way down like that. Hold on a second. And okay, here we go. Like that. And then what are we gonna do with this other cheese? We're gonna do it like this. All right, like side by side. Because we gotta put it all together, right, Mike? And let me get some olives. Don't go anywhere, guys. You gotta put a couple of olives. Let's put some olives up in there, because they're really good. You want to put those olives with your with your salami.
That's very pretty, Mom.
And your pepperoni.
That looks delicious.
It's very good. And then you have your thing over there, Wow. So I'm gonna put some around like that. Let me have one of these. I love the olives. And then I'm gonna bring this to my husband.
Take a picture of that.
Put the crackers right here by the side.
Oh yeah.
And that's a little platter. And there you go. That's how you make a platter. You can put it anything you want. It's not like top of the line or anything like that, but it looks nice. It's cheaper when you buy your own stuff instead of getting the platter. Those platters, they used to be like $8. The ones are $8, the little one, now they're 15. The ones that used to be the big ones that were $12, they're like $19.99 and $24.99. So I say, you know what? Let's just make our own platter. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you learn how to do this. Get all your stuff, get your crackers, your cheeses, get your meats. If you like pepperoni, salami, you can make it with turkey, any cold cuts that you want. You can do different sauces and stuff like that. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Have a beautiful Sunday. And remember, don't drink and drive. And always, 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 don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Thanks for watching.